Anyone who knew Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg personally can attest to her extraordinary qualities. Our Rita Braver certainly can.
She came up to my shoulder, but I always knew that I was in the presence of a giant. I met Justice Ginsburg before she was appointed to the Supreme Court. A friend wanted to bring her to dinner, and I was thrilled. She was a legend even then because of her past work as a lawyer fighting for women's rights. A few years later, I was reporting on her appointment to the Supreme Court.
By and large, the reviews were positive for Ginsburg, a former law professor, a mother and grandmother who showed off a photo of her granddaughter and the First Lady.
After the fierce battle over Justice Clarence Thomas,
Senator, I would have preferred an assassin's bullet.
Ginsburg's confirmation hearings were free from major controversy.
The committee is requiring private meetings with all nominees to go over personal matters, even though Chairman Joseph Biden calls Ginsburg squeaky clean. Rita Braver, CBS News at the Supreme Court.
Ginsburg became a leader of the Supreme Court's liberal wing, yet her best friend was a leading conservative, Justice Antonin Scalia. As one of her former law clerks said, he made her laugh. I knew she was special, but did I expect to see her become notorious RBG, her face on T-shirts and coffee mugs? No. My first inkling was in the late 90s, when she came to a party for my daughter, and all the girls swarmed around Justice Ginsburg like she was Madonna. But the truth is, Justice Ginsburg was more inspirational than any rock star. She had heart and determination. She cared about what happened to people, and the world began to notice. So we cheered her workouts. We were awed at how she would go get cancer treatments and return to the office. But most of all, we were moved by the power of her convictions and her words.
I would like to see an equal rights amendment in our Constitution.
She never forgot the discrimination she faced as a young lawyer. In a case involving equal pay for women, Justice Ginsburg was on the losing side. In her powerful dissent, she said, "The ball is in Congress's court." A couple of years later, Congress passed a law to fix the problem. Just one of the many ways that Ruth Bader Ginsburg's legacy will live on. One of the many reasons she deserves our admiration.